So these are pictures that were taken during the funeral service or ceremony at the Hagley Park SD Church in Kingston. Funeral service would have started at 9 a.m. Interment would have been in the parish of Portland. So many of Germaine's friends, Usain Bolt, Ricardo Gardner, Ian Pepe, Goodison, Michael Freighter, Safa Powell, Neil Gardner, the works, his family members and well-wishers all gathered to pay respects to Germaine Mason, who would have lost his life on April the 20th after succumbing to injuries he suffered after a motor vehicle crash on the Palisdoes main road. The nation was unified in the grief, even though he was no longer representing Jamaica and would have switched allegiance to Great Britain. He was a son of the soil and would have been in Jamaica training with NVP for most of his career. So it was a very sad and somber occasion, as you would see on the faces of many of the mourners at the funeral. So another young life, young man, great son of the soil, has been laid to rest today. So condolences again to Germaine's family, friends, and it's just a very, very sad thing. So the setup, as we call it in Jamaica, the ninth night for Germaine Mason would have been held at the Harborview Mini Stadium in East Kingston, where patrons turn out to pay respect to Germaine and to mourn his death, but also to give thanks that they would have gotten the chance to meet him. And so Germaine, while he was alive, was a bit of a party animal. I love the partying scene, so the persons who turned out would have also enjoyed themselves in the mode that Germaine would have loved while he was alive. So I mean, another sad chapter, but rest in peace, youth. So this would have been Germaine in happier times, doing one of the things that he loved, having fun, partying with his friends, having a good time, having a good vibe. You understand? Just a pity that he will not be able to enjoy moments like these again. But walk good, youth, walk good. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.